Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put into sine s square everything to the power of 2. Now we have the formula in here. So we have sine s square. Now I will put this one go to the right. So this one we need to transform into this one. Later that we need to expand this one. So 1 divided by cosine s square. This one divided by cosine s square. This one divided by cosine s square. And now we have like this. So this one we have secant of s square. Next we have the second formula in here. Cosine s square equals to cosine 2s plus 1 over number 2. So this one that is about this one. Now we need to expand this one. So negative number 2 plus 1 over 2, that is about negative 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, that is about tan s. The integration of cosine 2s, that is about 1 over 2 sine 2s. The next one, that is about negative number 3 over 2s. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.